How to play with two keyboards in Parsec. So by default, Parsec treats all the keyboards and mices on the client as a single input. So it does not natively support two keyboards on one client for separate inputs. So one workaround you can do is use gamepads instead, where each player can use a separate controller such as an Xbox or PS or USB controller. And to enable controls, you want to go to the settings, host, and then scroll down so you find the virtual gamepad type. And from here, you want to select the type of the controllers, for example, DualShock 4 or Xbox 360. Otherwise, you want to install the driver for USB gamepads. So for example here, Parsec virtual USB gamepads. You want to click on download the driver here, and that takes you to the download page where you can start the download and install the driver on your computer. And then you can plug the gamepad on your computer and go to the gamepad tab here to see if that is being detected. Otherwise, you will need to restart your Parsec application. You can also check the gamepads connected to your computer by right-clicking on the Start button and choose Run. And it should bring up this window where you can write joy.cpl and press OK. And this should bring up the game controllers window where you can see the installed game controllers and basically activate them from here. And the second way to play with two keyboards is use multiple clients. So is to have multiple clients. So for example, one computer, two accounts running Parsec, two separate sessions, and each session is using its own keyboard mouse. But that also requires the game or the app to support multiple instances or local co-op. But usually two controllers is the easiest to set up and is fully supported by Parsec. And two keyboards will usually require virtual mapping and complex setups and might actually be buggy. And it is very game or app specific. For the multiple keyboard mapping, you want to use something like this software right here, which is called VJoy or Virtual Joystick, which is used to map two keyboards as a separate virtual controllers, which you can use instead. And Parsec will see them as different inputs, but also your game or your app has to support controller inputs for this to work. And you can go to this link right here and or search VJoy simply, and this should bring up the GitHub repo. You can go to releases, and from here select the version that is compatible with your Windows and click on the setup exe. And this will download the installer to your computer. And then you can basically open up the app and configure the buttons or map them to a controller-like buttons, which you can use in your apps or your games through Parsec. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.